Hi everybody, I'm McMeakin from Naio Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a tartan nail. Yes, we're going Scottish / Christmassy. So I've already created a nail on Andrea. We have a stiletto nail using natural beige. So I created this nail using natural beige. So for the background colour, I'm going to use Cat Eyes Aurora Australis.
And what did we learn yesterday?
We learned all about Australis, the Aurora Australis.
And what is it?
It's the Southern Lights.
Well done. You get a gold star.
Oh my God, so Brady. Thanks to Adam.
I mentioned the Southern Lights yesterday and she was like, shut up.
I was like, there's no such thing as the Southern Lights.
I didn't know there was.
Oh?
I thought there was only northern ones.
Well, exactly, see?
No, the Southern Lights as well.
See,
I'm not the only person.
We're a globe.
Yeah,
Are
but
you flat earthers, you two?
Well, I thought North and South Pole in the same place.
But that's North and South.
Yeah, but I thought it was like North and South on the same.
Off the place they got called Pole.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
right.
Right, this coat, what I'm going to do is pop this in the lamp. Oh, I love that.
Yeah, it's like all green in the middle.
Yeah, and like a turquoise on the sides. We've created a vertical ombre with the cat eye. How cool is that? Right, next bit, we're going to use Cabernet. Is that right? Cabernet.
Oh.
Cabernet or Cabernet?
Cabernet.
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 Cabernet. Bit of Cabernet duck. And some burnt umber. And then a little bit of ocean depths. Ocean depths. Don't forget the C. Okay, so we will need a thin brush. In this dampen dish, I will need a little bit of gel residue wipe off solution, just so I can clean my brush. So doing it all in gel. We will add a little bit of white to this as well at some point, but not yet. Okay, so with my brush, I'm going to go into the Cabernet. I'm going to do... This is going to be the thickest of the lines. So I'm going to do the width of it first. Coming across. Now I'm going to fill this in. So it's easier to paint that outside part first of your thickest lines. And you want to start with your thickest lines of the tartan first. Pop that into the lamp for me. Then we're going to go into this really dark teal. And we're going to come across here. So we're overlapping over the top of that Cabernet colour. And I'm going to cure that before I do the next colour because I will overlap again. I don't want to smudge what I've already done. So we're going to go into the burnt umber. Right, so this we're going to do some fine lines again. We're going to go through the middle here.
The McMeakins were a very sparkly clan, weren't they?
They were, they had sparkly thread.
Very glamorous.
Sparkly thread. All the way.
They were very rich, so it was weaved with gold.
Oh, real gold, of course, as well. And then we're going to come from the top all the way down to the bottom. And you can pop that in through. Oh, I'm telling you now, I am in love with this tartan. Way, yeah. Way, yeah, yeah, yeah. So we're going to top coat this now, and we will finish off with a couple of stones, just for good measure. You want to make sure that you kick that brush just around the edges when you're putting your top coat on. There's quite a bit of gel polish on it, you don't forget. So all this artwork is done with gel polish. You want to make sure you seal that in. I am going to do 2 coats of top coat because it will even the surface out. What with that ain't lamp duck? To get this looking even smoother, what I'm going to do is just slightly buff over before I put the next top coat over. Can you see where I hit and where I don't hit? And that'll just smooth it out by filing over. It's not going to take any colour off, because we'll just be hitting the top coat. You don't want to obviously over file it or buff it. Just want to soften it a little bit, because the gel will create some lumps and bumps where those lines are of the tartan.
That looks really nice, Matt.
Oh, well, I feel alright. Yeah, that ombre is soft when it's matte.
Ooh.
You don't get that shifting then when it's matte. You know, like when you turn it and it shifts from the cat eye. It is nice matte. Oh my god, we're bleeding. Put me another one.
I think that's better than the lighter green.
I do.
Cool.
Put a bit of bling on.
Bit of bling.
I'm going to finish off with a little bit of cuticle oil. Much needed. Oh, I think they look really nice together, don't you?
What? Yeah, there we go.
Gorgeous.
Don't they look nice together, those colours?
Different.
Very different. I like them. So, yo guys, I hope you've enjoyed that tartan-inspired nail design. I think it's perfect for Christmas or any Scottish festival.
Hogmanay.
Cabernet, yeah. Old joke. Have you ever had haggis?
Haggis? No.
Oh, I like it.
Sweet.
Oh, I love haggis. I do. It's lovely.
Testicles.
No, it's not.
Sheep stomach.
It's not testicles.
It's lovely.
It's sheep stomach. Yeah.
Oh.
It is nicer. It doesn't
I
sound like it
don't
is.
know if I'd
Deep
rather the
fried.
testicles.
Everything I've used today will be listed below. As always, don't forget to check us out in the next video. Love you. Bye. I will be needing some gel residue. What was that?